Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unpin a video on your YouTube channel. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is come to your YouTube studio and you want to come to customization. Now that you came here, you want to go to Home tab, and here is your layout. So this is for channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, and this is for returning subscribers. So if a person hasn't subscribed yet, they're going to see this video. If they are subscribed and they came back to your home feed, they are going to see this video. So basically what you want to do is click on these three dots, and then you want to click on change video. Now that you have changed the video, you can choose any of the video you want, replace it, and then basically go here, publish it, and then this video will be your new pinned video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.